Hello and welcome back to another DIY video. Before we get started, make sure you give me that thumbs up to help with the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel in the bottom right hand corner. We're going to be installing some seat jackers on my Toyota Tacoma. Alright, so the seat jackers that I went with the ones that are from Desert Does It. I got the driver's side and the passenger side. These are premium products, and they're not overly cheap, but I assume they use better materials, better metals, etc. They're about $108 each on Amazon. And we'll get started here in just a moment. Alright, so this is going to be some of the tools you're going to need. So I'm going to start from right to left. This is going to be a 14mm bit right here, or socket. This is a 14mm deep socket, 15mm deep socket. This obviously is going to be your replacement parts. You'll just you can look at the attention to detail for the Desert Does It. Super high quality, feels really good and tight in your hand as well. Good metal too, and of course some type of 3/8 ratchet. And some patience. Let's get started. All right, so now this is probably gonna be the hardest part right here, but you're gonna go into whichever side you're gonna do first. For me, I'm gonna do the passenger side first, just because there's more visibility. Scoop this. If you have a liner in it like mine, just scoot it out of the way, essentially. All right, so this is pretty much what I did for mine. You just want to, again, just kind of get it out of the way, because we need to gain access to this right here, and of course the one on the inner part right there. It's not difficult. It's just you want to take these off kind of carefully. Take this off kind of carefully so it doesn't break. There's tabs that hold it onto the guide rails. Oh, actually that wasn't that bad. All right, so there it is right there. Do the same one for that one. All right, so you're gonna get your little stubby 14mm bit right there. All right, you don't have to take it all the way out. Do the same thing for that inner one. All right, again, you're not taking this all the way out. We're just trying to loosen it. All right, now let's go to the front. Coming in from the front, I'm going to take my liner out. It shouldn't be that difficult, yeah. Excuse me. All right, you have full access to what you need right there. All right, so for these, you're going to take these all the way out. Take this right here, again, all the way out. Do the same thing for that inner one right there. I'm not going to record it though. I'm going to go ahead and record it. It's fine. Deep socket. All right. Now that you got both of these fasteners out, you're going to get your seat jackets right here. These two little holes right here, if you will, this is going to be facing towards the front of the car. So I'm going to put this right there in the floor. You should be able to push your seat right back. Like that. You take your seat jacker. Okay. I'm just checking the fitment right there. All right, so now take your original fasteners. Don't put it in this one, but there is actually a hole right down here. And slide that right in like that. Fasten this down, do the same thing on both sides. All right, so as you're doing this, you want to definitely do it by hand because you don't want to cross thread it. There it goes. Okay. All right, now you're gonna tighten it up. Awesome. Now you're gonna get your fasteners that came in your little kit. These are 15 millimeter. Take this, put it on the top. Again, you want to manually line it up so you don't cross thread it. So start all of it by hand. I'm going to tighten that up. All right, let's go back to the back and tighten it, the two fasteners up in the back. All right, so now I'm back here in the back. Again, you just want to tighten these up now. And that should be pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the video. If you like it, make sure you give me that thumbs up to help the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel on the bottom right-hand corner, and I will see you in the next one. Just a quick update on the seat jackers. This is absolutely a mod that I did not think would make a difference, but it definitely makes a difference. My back already feels better. So I do kind of wish I did it earlier, but it is okay. I highly recommend it. Shout out to Desert Does It.